The spool? Yeah, to wrap your leader back around. That makes sense, because that's what I was thinking about doing as well, to save. Welcome back, y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome to MDLR Fishing. Right now, what we're doing is trying to take care of our shrimp. We just bought these guys from the bait shop, and they got some really nasty water. Oh, man. Some tiny little shrimp. They're very tiny. They were falling out.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank goodness I did it right here. Try to keep these shrimp from falling out. But we got to get rid of that water. We're going to put some new stuff in there. Try to treat these fellas right. And hopefully, in return, they will catch some fish for us. Honestly, we're out here doing some equal opportunity stuff, not looking for anything in particular, just whatever bites. It's been a little while since we've been able to come out here and fish. We've had a whole string of bad weather. If y'all watch the like weather news, Texas has just been getting flooded, battered with heavy rains, and that stuff all empties out through all of these channels and passes that we fished. So water's dirty over here. Gonna concentrate our efforts over here on the beach side, get this guy cast out there. Let's see what happens, man. Feels good to be back out here. There we go, first cast. Son,
As soon as it hit the water.
just lay the bag on top of them, okay? I already dropped some ice at the bottom.
Okay.
I didn't bring the spike though.
I've got mine.
Okay.
He's on that.
They may be coming through right now. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you need to get your line out there.
Yeah, he's got one. Christian just brought in about 16, 17 inch trout. The guy next to us, he's got him, looks like an 18 incher. Hopefully the fish are going to be coming through right now. It's been very slow up until this point. Looking forward to catching a couple keepers to take home with us. There we go. We're on. They're coming through. That's 3 fish. I don't know that this guy is going to keep though.
I don't even care. I'm just happy I caught one.
I think he's a 14.
Yeah. This was 17 and a half.
17 and a half. What was yours, 16?
16.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Mine looks to be about 14. I'm very happy for the bite though, y'all. 14. 14.
Normally I would gut them right now, but I'm just going to throw them in there.
Yeah.
So we can get the fishing.
Yeah, because
slows down again, you know.
the bite, the tide movement.
I didn't bleed. I'll put them in the bucket to bleed.
Okay. The tide movement isn't going to last too long.
Yeah.
Try to hurry up and get back out there. You can see some of the bait coming up right over here. Right at the edge of the rocks, they're coming up as if something's biting them. Makes sense because the trout are starting to bite. We have a very small window, so what we want to do is just try to keep as many lines in the water as we possibly can. Take advantage of it. Just put the fish on ice immediately. There we are, we're hit. Yeah, you need to hurry up and get back out there, son. Ah, shoot. Yeah, I was gonna flip him up. And the crap thing is, he looked like he was a keeper. The bait's coming up to the surface too and jumping for their life. There's another speckled trout right there. Nice, nice. Good to see. Got that other shrimp out there right now. Right at the edge of the rocks. There we go. No, I just missed him.
Alrighty. I gotta switch my battery real quick.
Okay. I got took down, but he bit my shrimp, like he broke his back. Oh, he's got a good one. Looks like a good one. Big one. You need a net? The net? He's got another one. Boy, he's loading up on him. Oh no, that's a good one. Good one. There we go. There we are.
There you go. Coming this way?
Yeah, I'll bring him that way. It's okay. No, I don't think so. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. He got off.
Oh. He's too big?
No, I think he was in there. Just got off.
I got him or lost him?
Lost him.
Was it my fault?
Not really, man. It was just... I missed the net on him.
All right, here we go.
I apologize.
You're good. It was a nice one though. Pretty nice big fat juicy one. Oh dang. Oh my gosh. Wait, do I got him? Yeah, I still got him. Yeah, I'll flip him up.
You want me to get out the way?
Oh, you're good.
I'll try and have the net ready to flip them in the net. So
Oh, he's a keeper. Good catch. Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna go home without a keeper.
That's a limit.
Oh my god. Crap, y'all. I've lost 3 in a row, and the other one was a little bit bigger than this fella right here, and I am so grateful for this guy. 17, baby. I'll just leave it right here. Let that guy quickly bleed out right inside there. Get another shrimp on and get right back out there. But first, what I need to do is sharpen that hook. Finally had the common sense to check that hook. I'm thinking, like, why is it that they keep popping off? This hook is not sharp whatsoever. I got to get rid of it. All right, got a new hook on. Oh yeah, that is nice and sticky. It took his shrimp. There we go. He's another keeper, Christian. No, I'm gonna flip him up. Yeah, I don't know. He's gonna be right there. Got him in the gills, I think. He's bleeding.
Oh man, hopefully he's a keeper.
Yeah, I think he is. It's gonna be like 15 and a half, 16, somewhere around there. All right, buddy. Yeah, he's a keeper. 15 and a quarter. He's not gonna go back. Take and process this one. We'll get the small fella in here now. What time is it, son? 1 what? 55? We're gonna reel this guy in. He's earned his freedom if he's still alive. Passed him several times. We're swinging for the fences. That's where the bite kind of reestablished itself, but since then, nothing's really bit. Oh yeah, he's still alive. All right, buddy, you've earned your freedom. I'm gonna clean the second fish that we caught. Really would have liked to have caught a limit, but just a little bit unfortunate with the other fish that were hooked and got away. That's all on me. we'll get this guy cleaned up and then head back to the house.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. We did save the remainder of our shrimp, put some new water in there, got them chilling inside the garage, so we'll head out there again bright and early in the morning. But that's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for tagging along on the adventure. If you're interested in the gear that we use, just go down into the video description below and you can check that stuff out. All right, until next time, tight lines, y'all.